Charlie Chaplin is singing a higher note. The veteran DJ was recently awarded a doctorate in security and professional studies from the California-based Global University of Lifelong Learning. He graduated from the 3-year course on June the 22nd. This video is sponsored by the author of the novel How to Train a Wild Puppy Dog Named Manly. The ebook link can be found in the description below.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Me feel good. My standards always there, he said. He hopes his academic achievement will inspire youth and smash the negative stereotypes surrounding dancehall artists. Me never do it for myself. Me do it for break up the negative image which people portray dancehall artists in as gunmen, murderers and rapists. And that is not true. Me do it for sure the youth them say them can do it too. Me want show them say them can rise up themselves from any situation them in. Me go through where them I go through. Because me, Josie and the Supercat was the roughest thing. But that is not what motivates me, he said. Josie Wales and Supercat were hardcore DJs who, along with Chaplin, plied their trade on U-Raw's Sturgraph sound system during the 1980s. Charlie Chaplin said prior to the doctorate, he had completed a master's degree in logistics supply and chain management from the Caribbean Maritime University.
Go back to school and go get a master's in logistics and chain management.
Oh, yes.
And then kind of run my company.
Yeah, so there were two things. You were studying logistics,
right,
and pick up a master's degree.
Yeah.
More of them say, see Charlie there, him rise himself up to the top and me can do it too, said Charlie Chaplin, who is the owner of a Border Patrol security company.
And you're also the founder and chief
CEO.
Executive officer of Border Patrol, your own security firm, which is very firm at events.
The DJ added that with academics out of the way, he can now refocus on music. Me I finish up my album, Timeless Appeal. It has 17 tracks and me gone 15 already. Me I produce it on my own Crown Productions and Speng Gorgon label. Right now, me I search for a distribution company, he said. No date was given for the project's completion. Charlie Chaplin, given name Richard Bennett, started his career in 1980 with Sturgraph.
The artist who played a pioneering role alongside Josie Wales and Brigadier Jerry in dancehall's creation.
He is known for songs like Cue Them, Half a Shape and Cry Blood. In 2013, he received an Order of Distinction for his contribution to the development of Jamaican music.
So I needed to add OD to your name because you've earned the Order of Distinction.
Definitely.
As Jamaica's what? Third highest honor?
Third, yes.
Congratulations, sir.
Blessed.
Well done, Sir Chaplin. This video was brought to you by my sponsor, the author of the novel How to Train a Wild Puppy Dog Named Manly. The ebook link can be found in the description down below. Please go check it out.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.